mess. Man, am I having fun with this thing. This thing is nuts. I've been using a really dull router bit, and that's been doing a little bit of tear out, and I sharpened it up, and then it was great. Just FYI, if you build something like this, the sharper the bit, the better. And also, when you're going from right to left, you got to have a good hold on your sled. For some reason, well, it didn't happen once I sharpened the bit. With a duller bit, it wanted to grab a little bit. But man alive, this thing is awesome, you know. And you saw I ended up fitting it right in the box. I've got plans available in the description down below if you'd like to build one. You know, you can figure this out on your own, but if you don't want to go through the hassle, I have plans down below that don't include that little box enclosure, but that's, you know, easy to add on. I'm going to do a few videos of this thing, just showing you what you can do with this. I'm having so much fun. Every time I use it, I got 5 more ideas I can do with this. So, and then we're going to have some more fun stuff coming this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't be sure to like and subscribe. Lots more fun stuff coming. Thanks a lot.